thank you guys for joining the call. And this is the first meeting. And so the agenda is very clear to learn and help each other and to grow as a technical team and to grow the network. And we can see how better we can help each other. So this will be, we are trying to conduct a regular meeting. And in that, we'll call people from diverse background. We have not called everyone today, like many of the networks that we have not called, just to make sure that people joining today will get some time to participate as well, instead of just only being a listener. So, having said that, let me start with the agenda of today, and I'll share the screen. I hope you guys can see the screen.
Yep.
Okay, great. Uh,
Yeah.
So Software Circle, why we named it? Because we have a YouTube channel with the same name. That's why we named it Software Circle. Otherwise, there's no other intention of this. So in today's agenda, we have set up a call like this will be just limited call because we are doing it in conducting this in weekends and considering that everyone has valuable time for family and other stuff. So we'll keep it short. So today we'll talk 10 minutes on DevOps, 5 minutes on latest tools and technology on mobile development, and then again 5 minutes on data analytics. We will be having detailed session on each of these things in future sessions. Today we'll not be touching everything in detail, just because like many people may not be interested in data science or other in mobile development or other in DevOps or other in Java or .NET or any other technology. So today's session is very generic, and in future sessions we'll be conducting detailed training kind of or detailed learning kind of sessions on a particular topic. So today will be more abstract in nature, not in detail. Just to give you a brief on that. That is the agenda on data science. So Sumit, if you can help us to understand. So Sumit, recently,
Hi, yeah,
so just to give you an
hello.
introduction, so Sumit is from
Yeah,
Bitsco, and he has been hired by JP Morgan recently. So over to you, Sumit.
yeah. So, hi, I'm Sumit, and I'm working in quantitative research and augmented reality. So, my topic, and I will really discuss about the data science and data analytics. So, here first we know that data science is more one of the most trending and booming topic nowadays. So, whatever we are doing nowadays is a quality and a bunch of data. So, we are doing anything with the data. We are with anything playing around with the data is now a data science. So data science, we can say that it's comprised of mathematics, majorly mathematics, computer science, and any sound language knowledge, as well as your domain expertise. So either you are going with a Python, either you're going with a R. So you should be quite sound with your language. So if starting from data analytics, there is a use of Python. I mean, we are using different libraries, scikit, matplot, pandas, and many statistical background. We are using inferential statistics, optimization, moreover nonlinear optimization, fuzzy logic, neural networks, and simply go with more. I mean background check. So we are using data mining as well, extraction of data. We are using many tools for data extraction. We are using data. We are using Petahawk. So there are many extraction tools as well. And if it's just about this data science, I mean data science is a very huge topic. If we go for a data analysis, it starts from basic math, I mean probability and statistics, to AI, I mean artificial intelligence. So huge dimension, huge aspects, huge application. So it deals around, the main thing is data. I mean the bunch of data, how you are dealing with it, how you are framing out of it, how you are modeling it, how you're simulating it. So all runs around it. So either go for the big data where you're using map reduction, Scala, Spark. These tools are used as a helpful tool, but you have to be a sound knowledge about your projects. I mean, how many hands-on projects you are doing on data science. That is the most valuable thing that you will get on. So either you can try this project on Kaggle, either you can try this project. Many company organize data science competitions. IBM organized, Microsoft organized. So there are many turnaround, I mean, competitions around there. And go for the data scientist that I'm working in quantitative research and augmented reality. So there is a fake uh, credit detection, credit fraud detection, and the quantitative research in a statistical background, how the companies, big companies are doing a statistical data, I mean, inferential data analytics. So there comes my role, how I'm using augmented reality, how I'm using ML and DL in my development. So we can discuss more about this in later topic, because every topic needs a very detailed explanation. Either it's ML, DL, AI, or either
Hey, only I am not able.
I think Sumit has dropped somehow.
No.
Hello.
Yes, Amit. Please continue. If you can help us
Yeah, I am.
with like if someone wants to start, I will just take one question from
Mhm,
on behalf of audience. Like if someone wants to start his career in data science, how
mhm,
to start?
mhm. He should really start from the basic mathematics. I mean, he should know about the mathematics one. He should know about the probability and the statistics. I mean, graphs on mathematics, the most important thing that you will bounce back in the data science career. Language knowing is the second part, where you should know about any language, either Python, either Java, either C++. So this two thing is the most crucial thing, and the third thing is the project expertise. I mean, either you are what you are applying. I mean, either you are doing image processing, either you are doing use of images in your data science career. So how you are treating the pixels, how you are treating the basic matrices, basic use of Excel is very important in the data science. Basic things that you can use for your analytics. I
Okay.
mean, the simple
Guys,
concept of ANOVA, and MANOVA is also used.
sorry, Sumit, to interrupt. Guys, this link will get disconnected. Please join back again on the same link. This time it is free. Next time it will be paid link.
So most, I mean, important thing is uh, how we are going through is starting to the last phase. I mean, there is a no last of data science. I mean, there is no end point of data science. Recently, you guys know about the nostalgic, deep nostalgia, where we are using the AI tools to automate the static images. Hello.
Yeah, yes, Sumit. We
Yep.
can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. So these things are trending. I mean, we can apply data science, but the output that we are getting is the very magical. I mean, the thing we use in even the website development, simple use of ML concept is also turning out to be a magical thing. That is sensing your concept, it's sensing your daily checkups in the website, the graphics in the website you are using applying ML. So there is a, I mean, if every step is leading to a perfection. I mean, even you are doing in a ML, you are doing in a NLP, you are doing in a DL. So it needs a whole grasp. I mean, 1 to 2 year experience of data science is, I mean, needed in this. If anyone wants, we can use, I mean, detail session how we are starting and how we are getting to expertise level. I mean, even reaching expertise level is important.
Yep, I think that will help the audience next time as well.